Stock market newsletters, are they worth it in 60 seconds? Let's look at some of the data, and there's a ton of academic research which has been done on this for a prolonged period of time. Well, even when you look at year after year, time after time, what you find is they just don't beat the market. And the reason for that is because the very essence of a stock market newsletter is to have breathless headlines, to sell you subscriptions, so they can't ever tell you that you should be holding cash, and they're forced to churn out a stock or stocks every single week to keep you going. So even when you look at some of the most famous ones, whether it's Motley Fool or Jim Cramer, they are constructed in a way where they're bound to fail because they have to keep giving you and feeding you something to try and time the market, because essentially they're timing, as opposed to what we do, model portfolios, resilient, hold for a long time, don't try and time it. Like and follow for more.